So now let's see how we can work around with summary tasks inside of Microsoft Project. So over here in this Microsoft project, actually there is already summary tasks right here. So what you see right here is what I can expand and then collapse right here. I can collapse and then I can go around expand. This is a summary task, meaning it is a collection of other tasks right here, as you can see. If I were to go around onto the top, you can see that this is the production. This is a summary task right here for all of the subtasks right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to take the production and budgeting right here and turn it into a summary task, just like that as well. So I can just go around and select both of them right here and then click on summary. So once I do that, you can see that both of them goes into this subtask right here. And this is the overall production process right here. So I'm just going to go around and say overall production right here. And now you can see that overall production is the summary task for production and budgeting. And under that right here, you got other set of subtasks, as you can see, just like this. And that is it. If you want to go around and turn these into, let's say, for example, subtasks. So this is the brainstorm and then story line writing. So I can click on summary task and then you can see it turns into a task of its own. And then over here, you can go around and type in, let's say, for example, concept development right here, just like this. And that is a task on its own. This is a summary task. So you can see that the summary task is shown in this way, and the summary task by default is actually auto scheduled just like this. But you can also go around and manually schedule them right here. And once the summary task is changed to manually scheduled, then you can see this out right here. So this is 109 days, as you can see right here, which is the overall production summary task right here. But if I were to go around and change this to, let's say, 100 days, for example, now you can see that the overall production summary task is 109 days, but you can see that the total production days is 194. And that is why it is showing that the summary task is in red. That is because it is saying that the summary task has less duration than what is denoted over here in the other subtask right here. So if I were to go around and reduce this to, let's say, 6, for example, then you can see that it is much more okay now. So you got the summary task right here and it is in blue, denoting that the number of days is okay. But if you were to go around, change this to auto scheduled, then what happens is that that won't become an issue, because as we change the days right here, the days for the summary task changes as well. And that is how you can work around just like this. And that is how you can work around with summary tasks inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.